Okay, so this is the silicone edge protector here for the screen and the rear view mirror that I have here on my Tesla Model Y Juniper. So first off, thank you to the company for sending these out to me to test out. So these are these silicone edge protector here to protect your screen, because you don't want this getting scratched or cracked. So if you're frequently doing things in here, you don't want things to accidentally bump the edges and crack the edges or anything. So this is really nice protection for it, just like your phone case or something. And then you have one up here as well for the rear view mirror up here. And they come in different colors as well. So I got the white here to match my interior, so make it look nice. Come in a few other colors as well. So yeah, they're really, really nice. They fit perfect. So this is the silicone here. It's really nice and pliable, so really easy to get on and off. Same with this one up here. So yeah, if you're looking for something like this to jazz up your car, give it a little bit of color, and to provide some protection, make sure you check these out. And before I go, this is what it looks like from the outside of the car. It looks really nice as well from the outside as well. In the rear view mirror, you can see up there. So yeah, make sure you check these out.